last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Algorand, currently ranked 41 on CoinMarketCap. All coins in the last 1 month have not been having a great time. Algorand is trading around the $0.18 region, and the last 1 month we have seen Algorand trade for as high as $0.23. It has also traded for as low as $0.18. The altcoin market has been dumping to Goblin Town. Algorand is down 16.7% in the last 1 week. Where are we heading in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We'll be taking a look at Algorand US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Algorand has gone to the lowest price we have seen it trade since 4th of January 2023. Is the bottom in for Algorand while we're gearing up to set new lows in this bear market? We're also going to be looking at Algorand's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, currently at new all-time lows, and we'll take a peek at Algorand's market cap. The lowest we've gone to in this bear market was when we got to the $1.1 billion region. Right now, Algorand's market cap is around the $1.3 billion region. Are we going to drop to new lows, or are we gearing up for one big pump to the upside? What's Altseason? Are we going to see Altseason happening anytime soon? Will Algorand participate in that Altseason pump? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The altcoin market has been dumping to Goblin Town in the last 1 week, in the last 1 month, and the last 1 year. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Even though we started 2023 on a very bright note, even though we started 2023 with all coins pumping to the moon, right now all coins are giving those gains back to the market. And if you take a look at what Algorand has been doing, Algorand, which rallied to as high as the $0.28 level, is back trading around $0.18. The last time we saw Algorand trading there was in March of 2023 when we saw that big pullback that Bitcoin went to as low as $19,500. And before then, we saw Algorand trading around the $0.18 region at the beginning of the year. Right now, is Algorand gearing up for one big dump to the downside? The lowest we've seen Algorand get to in this bear market was when it got to the $0.16 level. Is the bear market rally over for Algorand? We saw Algorand getting rejected at the $0.29 level. We have seen Bitcoin rally above his November 3rd price. We have seen Bitcoin even rally above the price where it was trading in August of 2022. If Algorand is going to copy Bitcoin, we should at least see Algorand blast above that $0.29 level. Algorand might rally to the $0.42 region. Now, this bear market all season, what I've been talking about for a very, very long time, someone might be wondering, why are we not seeing altcoins pumping? Altseason here, Altseason there, but we have not seen it reflect in the altcoin market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied up in this bear market from as low as $16,000, getting to as high as $31,000. The altcoin market also rallied, but you can see that the altcoin market has not enjoyed this kind of big pumps to the upside. Since the turn of the year, Bitcoin is up more than 100%. Since the turn of the year, Algorand could only go at its highest point by 79%. Now, if you take a look at the altcoin season index, this index tells us how capital is flowing in the cryptocurrency market on a seasonal time frame, and it takes over 90 days for it to compute data. It's calculating the performance of the top 50 cryptocurrencies over the last 90 days. And right now, it's telling us we're in Bitcoin season. And Bitcoin season means over the last 90 days, Bitcoin has outperformed most of the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap. The only coins that are not outperforming Bitcoin in the last 90 days are Stacks, XRD, Graph, Immutable X, and that is all. Bitcoin is up more than 16% in the last 90 days. But guys, anytime we're seeing Bitcoin season like this, has always been a telltale sign to accumulate altcoins. Altcoins might be gearing up for that one final pump to the upside. The last time we saw such a strong indication for Bitcoin season was in August of 2021. Let's take a look at what Algorand was doing in August of 2021. Guys, Algorand was gearing up to pump to new highs. Algorand was trading around the $0.9 region in August of 2021. and we saw that one final pump to the upside where Algorand rallied up by 174% in just 33 days. Knowing how volatile altcoins can be to the upside, we can easily see us rally to that $0.42 level, and that can happen very, very quickly. Now, we see that 128% pump to the upside, even though that might not be what we're expecting for this bear market alt season, guys, that might be something to take home, because if we see Bitcoin retrace and Bitcoin don't set new high, and we see all these altcoins giving us 100% pumps to the upside, maybe 150% pumps to the upside, and Bitcoin can't break above $31,000, we might just be gearing up for new lows in this bear market. I always advocate to keep some money on the side. You always want to be prepared for that eventual dump when it happens, because kid yourself not, if there's anything that is showing the cryptocurrency market is that we're going to pump at some point in time in the future, but after we pump, we are also going to dump. So very, very careful. The all-time lows for Algorand still sit around the $0.1 region. If Algorand is going to set new lows coming to test that all-time low from where we're currently trading right now, that's a worst-case scenario. Algorand will have a 42% dump to Goblin Town. And knowing how altcoins can dump to Goblin Town, guys, you never want to say never. Take a look at what happened to Algorand in November of 2022. We were pumping to higher prices. Everything was looking giddly and cool. We thought the bear market bottom was in, and then FTX collapsed, and whoop, we saw a 64% dump for Algorand in 46 days. So right now, even though Algorand might see a pump to the upside, be very, very careful. Be very, very wary not to be somebody's exit liquidity. The altcoin season index is telling us we're in Bitcoin month. So if you're a long-term investor, right now is a very good time to be accumulating, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. If you're a long-term investor and you're looking to accumulate for the next 2 to 3 months, maybe the next 6 months, guys, right now in the depths of the bear market is where you want to do majority of your business. From where Algorand is currently trading right now, for us to rally back to the previous all-time high, we have to see over a 1,200% pump to the upside for Algorand. And Algorand can pump that aggressive in the bull market. In the previous bull market, we've already seen Algorand give us one of those kind of big pumps to the upside, rallying up by more than 2,100%. The altcoin market might be looking as if it's dumping to Goblin Town right now on all time frames. But guys, if you're staying in the cryptocurrency market long enough, you know that this is the best time to accumulate. If you believe we'll still be going to higher prices, we've seen this happen over and over again. The markets will dump, people will get scared, nobody will buy the dip, then we'll start pumping, and people will be angry, why didn't I buy the dip? But right now, alt season's around the corner, and it's always darkest before the dawn. Think about that, guys. If you take a look at Algorand's performance against Bitcoin, we've gotten to new all-time lows in this bear market. You have been holding Algorand. That's not good news for you, but guys, if you're just planning on accumulating more Algorand, getting ready for that big pump to the upside, this is going to be music to your ears. This is the cheapest you'd have been able to get Algorand since when it was launched against Bitcoin. Even though we're still dumping to Goblin Town, I still believe we're going to see one big pump to the upside. Take a look at the last time we saw Algorand clearly falling into a new all-time low. That was in December of 2020. What came after December of 2020 was one big pump to the upside. In the next 258 days, we saw Algorand rallying up by more than 398% against Bitcoin. We have been dumping to Goblin Town ever since that rally ended in September of 2021. I'll not be shocked to see us have another big pump to the upside. We have been down for more than 586 days in this bear market against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum also, Algorand has been dropping to new lows. It has been setting lower highs and lower lows since when Algorand was launched. When are we going to get that big final pump to the upside for Algorand? Guys, every time we see altcoins dumping like this, every time we see altcoins dropping to new lows, at some point in time, we'll see that big pump to the upside that will just surprise a lot of market participants. So when we see that alt season happening, let's not be shocked to see Algorand give us maybe 100 or a 200% pump to the upside. Don't forget, we're still in a bear market. And in bear markets, we can still get some rallies to the upside. In bear markets, we can still see altcoins pumping. But remember, all these bear market rallies are designed to get you buying at the top, selling at the bottom. And if you want to be successful long term, time is your friend. You want to accumulate deeply in the bear market. If you take a look at Algorand's market cap, which sits around the $1.3 billion region, the lowest I've seen Algorand's market cap get to in this bear market was when we dropped to as low as the $1 billion region. But that was way back on the 24th of December 2022. For us to rally back where we were trading in November of 2022, Algorand from where we were currently trading around the $1.3 billion region will have to give us a 135% pump to the upside. Can we get to $5 billion? Guys, special pumps will be required if we're going to see Algorand get to that $5 billion region. A 285% pump to the upside is what Algorand will need to do if we are to see it rally to that $5 billion region. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, the altcoin market is down on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. Are you still accumulating more Algorand right now, getting ready for the next time we see the altcoin market pumping to higher prices? And how high do you see Algorand going in the coming days and the coming weeks? And tell me, guys, do you think the bottom is in, or do you feel at some point in time the bear market we are going to go lower than this $0.16 level? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Follow us on all social media platforms at Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, if you want to get notified anytime I go live, anytime I drop a new content, turn on the post notification. Remember, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.